Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 202 by Microtel. This is Tony's equipment from Maryland, and we know that this telephone has been surged. It does not have any power. This is the initial checkout. So we know the line cord is good. We're going to show you the telephone since this is the initial checkout. We know the line cord is good. We do not have the handset plugged in. I want to give you a look at the handset. It's a very cool telephone, and it's made very well. I also want to give you a look at the unit. Give you a look at the back where everything plugs in, our line cord, our handset. We have a ringer on and off switch and a tone and pulse switch. We want to give you a look at the inside. This is what this unit looks like on the main PC board. Now we want to troubleshoot this PC board. We did a little troubleshooting earlier like we mentioned, and we know that there has been a surge to the PC board. So we need to go in and troubleshoot our components, find out what our problem is, and replace the bad components. Try to give you another view of this. So that's what the PC board looks like, and the inside of this telephone if you've never seen the inside of one of these units. So we're going to get a start on this unit. We want to come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Microtel 202 desk telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Microtel 202, and we have the main PC board repaired, but we designed a fuse that we want to incorporate into the PC board because we know this telephone was surged with power. So we have this fuse that we designed out. We want to install it now, and I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. We have another issue with this unit, but we're going to do this first, and then we'll get into the other issue that we're talking about. We'll get this installed first. Now we can take our component that we jumped and we can eliminate that. We don't need that any longer. We're going to go ahead and plug our unit in. Now we activated the analyzer. If you see this red light, that's an indication of dial tone. So I can hang up, and that red light is an indicator. Now we know we have dial tone, so we're going to go ahead and press a number and try to press a 2. I'm going to transmit into the receiver. If you watch that red light, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know we have dial tone and that we're dialing out, but I'm going to hang up. We're going to use our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. I'm going to push my button on the amplifier. and we're not getting any dial tone. Go ahead and put it up to the video. There is no dial tone coming out of the receiver. So we have another issue. The electric that this telephone was surged with also took out the receiver capsule. So we want to replace that receiver capsule in our handset. We'll put everything back together again, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool 202 Microtel desk telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Microtel 202 desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. But we want to show our receiver capsule that was replaced. This is bad, and it's of no use to us, so we're going to set it to the side. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. And we mentioned that this is used in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And we also want to go ahead and activate our amplifier, and the video may pick it up, it may not. And we just went ahead and activated that. And if you hear like an open mic or an amplification noise, that's referred to as open air or open mic. And that would be coming from the amplifier, and that's normal. It's not the unit or the telephone, it would be the amplifier. So we also adjusted the bell in this unit. It's a very small bell, single bell, and it really did not sound very well. And so we adjusted that. There's not a lot you can do, but it was adjusted for maximum sound. So now what we want to do is we want to use the analyzer and ring our unit. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. Like earlier, if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Sunday, February 14th. The time is 7:21. Current temperature 32 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Around 2 inches of snow today, a light glazing of ice possible with a high around 30. Patchy freezing drizzle this evening along the upper 20s. Monday mostly cloudy, a slight chance of rain with a high around 40.
We can hang up, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool 202 has been repaired, we can return it to Tony and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1electronics.com. www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.